What's up again? Welcome to my first ever Grow a Garden 2 gameplay here or video on this different socials I post. So as you can see, this is my first time play here in the Grow a Garden like an hour ago. And as you can see, it's almost like Grow a Garden, the OG one, which is I will reveal different accounts plants because I have main which is the not the other account use which is I got a lot of mutation there. So as you can see, there's a buff right there. There's a 1 minute and 47 s. That's actually the I think it's the weather or the time scale here. So as you can see, this is the moon. It's pixelated because it's still loaded up the game, I guess. So I don't know. So today is actually get this. Never mind. This is the as you can see unlocked, and then there you go. When you go out there during night time, it unlocks, and the other players steal your plants, or I mean, yeah, the plants. I mean the fruit or the item, which is bad. So you should stay inside your garden, which is locked. So now it's almost like a grow garden when you can collect the fruits there. As you can see, this is have the weights and it's almost like a grow garden team game there. Oh my god, I'm gonna go collect the golden one there. Yeah, it's the top one, and then it's actually exam that it can expand the plots there. You have some edits like fans, and then this is the mail. What is this? Um. Oh yeah. Maybe like I don't know what purpose is. This is I cannot view what this thing. And if you pick some this one like fruits, go to sell area and then you can sell all the fruits picked and you give shekels there. Also you have buy seeds, same as the OG grow garden, but the different rarities right now. So you can see the prismatic, or I mean, I guess the prismatics become super. Yeah, it's like a super one. Just prismatic, but the others is like same rarities. The gears, they have additionals there, I guess. All rare sprinklers. Yeah, they have speed, jump mushrooms, lanterns. That's a new one. No, it's not. Flashbangs, a new one. Uh, some of them like this. Super sprinklers, like I guess it's like a mega sprinkler. I forgot the one, the red one. I think the Grandmaster, yeah, the Grandmaster sprinkler. And this is the props to design your garden, same as the OG Grow Garden. But this is the new one, the guilds there, where I think it's great. The Grow Garden Grow. I guess like it's like a Pet Simulator X when you can create like a clan. Yeah, the clan. In my own context, it's like a Call of Duty mobile where you create clan. You grind your own points and get the leaderboards to receive rewards. And this is the preference of the garden. As you can see, it's like a circular one compared to the grow garden. It's just like a rectangular map. Exact same team. We have middle. In grow garden, have both sides. They have stores or shops. But in grow garden 2, it's just a middle part. It's not yet create their what is this the events. It's like a event like a what is it like Easter Halloween or something. It's not yet done. This is the new game here, and that's it on my basic gameplay here and reveal of the Grow Garden 2. If you played Grow a Garden 2, please comment down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.